Tired of unevenly cooked steaks or those annoying grill marks that just won't show up right? Today, I've got the solution. The 5 best grill presses for steaks on Amazon that can take your grilling game to the next level. From heavy-duty cast iron options to sleek stainless steel designs, I'll walk you through what makes each one worth it, plus a few downsides you should know before buying. Let's fire up the grill and get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, Cuisinart Cast Iron Grill Press. The Cuisinart Cast Iron Grill Press is a solid choice for anyone serious about grilling. Its heavy-duty cast iron build gives excellent weight and pressure, helping steaks cook evenly and achieve those perfect grill marks. The wooden handle stays cool, making it comfortable to use even on high heat. It's also great for pressing bacon, burgers, and paninis, cutting down on grease and cook time. One small downside is that it takes a bit of effort to clean and maintain, as cast iron needs proper seasoning to prevent rust. Overall, it's a reliable, durable tool that truly enhances your grilling results. Number 2. My second best pick, Avant Grub Pro Grade. The Pro Grade Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Grill Weight 2-pack is a great pick for anyone who loves perfectly seared steaks or evenly cooked burgers. These presses come pre-seasoned, so they're ready to use right out of the box, and the dual-pack design means you can cook multiple items at once. A real time saver for family grilling. The wooden handles stay cool to the touch, offering good control and comfort. The only drawback is that the seasoning can wear off over time, requiring occasional re-seasoning to prevent rust. Still, for the price and performance, this set offers excellent value and consistency for home or outdoor cooks. Number 3. My third best pick, Jim Beam Stainless Steel Cast Iron Meat Press. The Jim Beam Cast Iron Meat Press is a sturdy and practical tool for anyone who wants perfectly cooked steaks, burgers, or bacon. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution, helping meat cook faster and more evenly. The stainless steel handle plate with a wooden grip adds a nice touch. It feels solid and stays cool enough to handle safely. It comes pre-seasoned, so you can start grilling right away without extra prep. One downside is that it's a bit smaller than expected, making it less ideal for large cuts of meat. Still, it's a dependable, well-built press that enhances flavor and texture beautifully. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Heavy-Duty Cast Iron Burger Press. The Heavy-Duty Cast Iron Burger Press, 8.5 round, is a solid choice if you're serious about steak, burgers, or grilled sandwiches. Its hefty cast iron build gives it the weight needed to flatten patties and help them sear with those crispy edges crave-worthy on a griddle or flat top. One major pro, the large 8.5 surface means you can cover big burgers or even multiple smaller items at once, which speeds things up. Another plus, the durability. Cast iron means this press should last years. A downside, because it's so heavy and large, it can be awkward to maneuver in smaller pans and it takes some effort to preheat and clean. Overall, if space isn't a problem, it adds real grilling value. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Furz Grill Burger Press 7.08-inch round. This cast iron smash burger press feels seriously heavy and well built, which is exactly what you want if you're after crispy-edged burgers or even steaks. The wood handle stays cool enough to grab without mitts, which is a great convenience. I found the 7.08-inch diameter to be just right for standard burgers, and it fits well on a griddle or grill surface. One pro, it preheats nicely, giving good contact crust from the get-go. Another pro, the food-grade cast iron means you avoid weird coatings and get that classic sear. On the flip side, because it's large and heavy, it takes up space to store and might be overkill for smaller pans or single burgers. If you grill frequently and want that professional finish, it's a smart buy. If you only cook burgers every now and then and have limited space, you might think twice. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite grill press for steaks? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.